There's the main cart. Over here is the garage elevator. Look at this. It's those weird seat replacement buttons. This one seems really busy. One is just down those 5 steps. Is that a service elevator over here? No. Here it is. Those buttons, though. You're good. Those other ones are probably on the original controller, actually, because look, these are TK impulse. And here we are one. Look at that panel. Seven. We're still moving. There we go. Here we are at 7. Ooh, bright sun. We're gonna go back and end on 4 because that's where I'm parked. That is so weird. It's kind of cool actually though, I like it. ADA phone. Basic cab. Here we are at 4. That's cursed. There it goes. There, and that'll be it.